problem to solve with Passwise. So for today, another HPG problem tayo. So take a screenshot first. Okay, for our first question. So kapag nakita tayo ng ganyan kahabang problem, what we do first is to draw the free body diagram. So let's draw the free body diagram first. So, sabi dito, a layer of clay 8 meter thick. So, i-drawing muna natin yung 8 meters na clay layer. Ito siya. Is overlaid by a deposit of sand 15.2 meter thick to ground surface. So, papatungan natin siya ng 15.2 meter na sand. When the water table is at ground surface level. So, hanapin natin kung nasan ba yung ground water table natin. So, ang sabi dito, nasa ground surface level natin. Nandito yung ground surface level natin. Ibig sabihin, yung groundwater table natin is dito. Ayan. The saturated unit weight of the sand was determined to be 21.2. And yung saturated weight or unit weight of the clay is 18.8. Ang hinahanap natin yung effective pressure sa mid-height ng clay layer before ma-lower yung water table. So, yung free body diagram natin as is na. Let's use the formula, effective stress equals to total stress minus pore water pressure. In order to get the effective stress, minaminus or binabawas natin yung dala na stress ng water. Para makuha lang natin yung bit-bit lang or dala lang talaga ng soil, ng sand at saka ng clay. Okay. And recall, formula ng stress or pressure is gamma H. So, ang height na i-consider natin for sand is 15.2 and for clay, since mid-height lang ng clay layer ang pinapahanap, so 8 divided by 2 equals to 4 meters. So, ilagay natin yung mga given or yung values. So, 21.2, this is for the sand, 21.2 times 15.2 plus sa clay 18.8 times 4. And then, ibabawas natin ngayon yung pore water pressure. 9.8, ito yung unit weight ng water. And then, height ng water, ang i-consider natin, from this point, ang i-consider natin, up to the ground water table. So, 15.2 plus 4 meters. So, ilagay natin sa calculator. 21. For the clay, minus natin for water pressure. Answer should be 209.09. Okay. Yan, tama. 209.09. For our second question, evaluate the effective pressure after lowering the water table. Sabi dito, when the ground water table is lowered 7.6 meters. So, i-adjust na natin yung water table natin. Yan siya. Baba na siya. Magbabago na rin yung unit weight ng sand above the ground water table since hindi na siya fully saturated. So, the degree of saturation of the sand above the water table was lowered by 30%. If lowered by, the keyword by, therefore, ima-minus natin yung 30% from 100. So, ang saturation na ng sand dito is 0.7. So, for our unit weight, magbabago siya since nagbago yung saturation ng soil, magbabago rin yung unit weight ng soil. If you're using Canon, you can do mode 3.2. But, wala akong Canon dito. Meron siyang Caltech. Sa X, ang ilalagay natin yung saturation. And then sa Y, dito yung unit weight. So, for 1 and 0. Dalawa lang yung kailangan natin dito. So, nung fully saturated siya or nung below groundwater table siya, 21.2. Then, nung at its dry unit, it's 18.2. Ilagay lang natin siya sa 0. So, press AC. Options, thresholds. And then, ang hinahanap natin ay at 0.7 saturation. Therefore, ang unit weight na natin for this is 20.3. So, pwede na tayo mag-proceed since may unit weight na tayo. Ganun pa rin. Effective pressure or effective stress equals to total stress minus pore water pressure. Ilagay na natin ngayon for our sand, 7.6 times 20.3. Ito yung sa above groundwater table. Tapos, i-consider natin yung below. Ano, 7.6 times 21.2. And then, consider din natin yung clay, mid height, 18.8. Tapos, ibawas natin yung pore water pressure. Ngayon, for the pore water pressure, yung height ng sa water is from this point hanggang dito lang siya. So, minus 9.81, 7.6 plus 4. Our answer should be 276.8. So, check natin. Yeah, 276.81 kilopascal. Our answer is letter B. Next. For our third question, evaluate the effective pressure when there is no water in the sand layer but remains in moist condition at the same degree of saturation. So, mawawalan na ng water dito. Bababa natin yung groundwater table natin hanggang sa surface layer ng clay. Same unit weight applies and same saturation naman ang sabi dito. Ganun pa rin naman siya. At sa calculator, adjust na lang natin. Ito magiging 15.2. Tapos mawawala na to. Ito na yung sa sand, buong sand to. Tapos ito yung sa clay. Ngayon, yung sa pore water pressure, ang matitira na lang ay itong sa 4 meters. Ito na lang yung nasa baba ng groundwater table. Yan. So, 344.52. Let's check the answer. 344.52. And our answer is letter C. Yun lang. Thanks.